Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Revamp and Talk. So let's talk. Have you ever wondered that we have hundreds and thousands of birds all around us, but we rarely find any dead bird in our surroundings? Where do all the dead birds go? Well, spiritual people maintain that the birds are the most innocent creation of the nature. Therefore, when a bird comes to its life's end, it simply soars back to the sky and absorbed by the divine energy of the universe. However, as a matter of practical knowledge, supported by the scientific inquiry, a bird decomposed in its habitat after it has died. In some other cases, it might be hunted down by predator birds and animals and devoured by them. Several other insects and microbes also feed on the carcass of the bird. In all of these cases, the bird returns all of the ice vapor which it received in its lifetime. Every component of its body dissolves and end up making manure. Thus, it revitalizes the composition of the soil. And even if a bird falls prey to a predator, it anyway satiates the hunger of that beast. What remains of a dead bird are its good deeds, witnessed by the mother earth herself. There, we should learn from the birds to faithfully shading away the miseries, sadness, and failures of our life without leaving behind any traces to be observed by the others. Learn to spread only the sweet chirping and the songs of bliss as the birds do, despite all of the difficulties of their life. A bird's life might not be ideal or joyful for its own sake, but to us humans, birds have always been a source of great delight in watching them fly, making their nests, and chirping in the most beautiful and mysterious voices, and flaunting their vibrant colors and exotic dances. Birds can be our best teachers in making us learn to sharing with the world only the delectation, at the same time facing bravely and silently the challenges that the life has to offer us. Then one day, if we have to take our final leave, there remains behind us no traces of remorse, regrets, or melancholy. That's all for now. I hope you like my video, and if you do, please visit my channel next time as well. Till then, bye bye. Blessings to all.